I'm Daniel from danielberryguitartutor.com and welcome to today's video in which we're going to take a look at the blues. I'm going to try and keep it nice and light for you beginners, and at very least I'm going to give you a solid foundation to build on. As always, if you do like today's video, hit the like and subscribe buttons for me, as this helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar tutorials. So with all that said, let's learn how to play the blues. So, the blues, here we go. So what we've got, I'm going to be showing you the 12 bar blues today in the key of E. I'll explain all what that means in a moment. The chords we're going to use are, so first off we're going to use the chord, we're going to use E, then A, B seventh, and then back to E again. So let's explain the 12 bar blues to you. So first off then, what that means is the total length of the whole structure of this blues is 12 bars long. So it will sound like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, down to A, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, back to E, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, B7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 10, 2, 3, 4, 11, 2, 3, 4, 12, 2, 3, 4, start again. Right, so the whole duration of the blues is 12 bars in this instance. There are shorter, there's an 8 bar blues, there's variations of it, but the one I'm showing you today is the 12 bar blues. So if we was to just use chords without doing any of this stuff, which is known as a blues shuffle, we're gonna get to that. But first off, if we was to just strum it out, the chords would go E, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, down to A, back to E, then to B7, then to A, then to E, then to B7 to start again, and then we start again. So that's our chords, E, A, B7. But to make things a bit more interesting, what we're going to do, we're going to assume an E position. So there's our E chord, but instead of this finger here, we're going to hold down these two fingers with the first finger. So we're going to be right there. Right, so we're going to, if we play the first, the top 3 strings, so 6, 5 and 4. So we're holding like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to hold them down, and we're going to, with our third finger, we're going to come off and on the 4th fret, 5th string. So we're going to be playing the 6th and the 5th strings. Can you hear that? Down, da, down, da, down, da, down, da, down, 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 down. And we're going to come off and on with the 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string. So we're going to be off, 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 on, off, off, on, off, off, on, off, off, on, on. We're going to be playing the top 2 strings, so the 6th string and the 5th string. Play them as one. So also it's quite helpful to rest the edge of your hand across the strings, just to give you that nice mute sound. Chug, 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 the chug sound. When we go to the A, all we do is we drop down from being holding the 5th and the 4th strings in the 2nd fret. We just pull our finger down. Now we're holding the 4th and the 3rd strings, because we're trying to copy an A. So if you have a look, we're holding down the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with one finger, just in a line, but we're concentrating on playing the 5th and the 4th strings together as one. If you go overboard and strum the rest of the strings, great. That's why we're holding this, so we can get a whole chord out of it. but predominantly we're concentrating on the 5th and the 4th strings, and we're playing them. We're going to be coming off and on with the 3rd finger. We're going to be coming off and on the 4th string, 4th fret. So, but we're going to be playing the A string with that string. So it's going to go. Off, on, off. So what we was doing with the chord of E, we now have dropped it down and we're doing it with the chord of A. Okay, so what we've got so far, we've got the E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, down to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then back to E again for 2 bars. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then we strum off a B7, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then strum off an A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then back to E for the blues shuffle again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then B7. The B7, which is the 12th bar, indicates that we're starting again. That, and we're going to play a bit, and we're going to start again. At the very end of this blues, depending on how long you've been going on for, after, I don't know, 3-4 minute blues song, you wouldn't tend to finish with a B7, unless you're being arty. You'd just finish with 2 bars of E at the end, and that'll be bum, ba-dum, bum, and that'd be your lot. So you wouldn't tend to finish with the B7, but while the song's going along, yeah, the 12th bar, B7, and that signifies that you're going to do some more. So let's take you through this. So we've got E, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, down to A, so drop down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, back up to the E, 7, 2, 3, 4, 8, 2, 3, 4, B7, strum it off, then A, then back to the E again, 1, 2, 3, 4, B7, then starting again. Right, I'm going to show you a little trick now, nice little intro. What we're going to do, we're going to have our 2 middle fingers. I've seen people do this with the first 2 fingers. It's far better doing it with the 2 middle fingers, and I'll show you for why. Our intro, this is what we're going to do as an intro, and that's why we're doing it with the 2 middle fingers. So we've got the first finger ready to play the first note of the E chord. Bop, there we go. See, first note of the E chord, it makes it all nice and ready. So if you start ba 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 bom, there we go. Right, so we're going to 4th fret, and we're going to be using the 3rd and the 1st strings, and we're going to alternate between the 2. So we're going to go 3, 1, 3 up on the 4th fret, yeah. So 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3 on the 3rd fret, 3, 1, 3 on the 2nd fret, and then 1st fret, 3rd string, 1st finger, all together. As you come down, you want to hear that pull. Yeah. Otherwise you get, it doesn't sound terrible if you have the, but if you get a bit of a pull on it, it sounds even better. Right, that's the other thing you can do. Instead of just landing, you can do what's known as a hammer on. So you strike the 3rd string, and then you land down with your finger. So straight away, pretty much straight away. So you got, sorry, I'll do that again. Yeah, so it's really slowly. Well, high speed, that'll be... Right, so there's our intro. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Then what we do, that little bit I just did there, is open 5th string, first finger, 1st fret on the 5th string, and then second finger, 2nd fret on the 5th string. So because that'll be our B7. And then we're ready for our blues shuffle. 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, which is down in the A, 7, 2, 3, 4, in the E, 83, 4, 9, 2, 3, 4, B7, 10, 2, 3, A, 11, 2, 3, 4 for the E, and then 12, 2, 3, 4, and then we start again. Little lick that's quite nice. Again, 2 middle fingers. What we're going to do, it sounds like this. We're going to rev up, there's a term, with the 2 middle fingers. We're going to rev up, so the 2nd finger is going to be 2nd fret, 2nd string, and just along from that, the 3rd finger is going to be on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. Have a little look, there we go, it's going to be like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to move it up from that position, just 1 fret up. Sorry. So I'm picking it as down, up, down on the 3rd string, up on the 2nd string. And then I play it as I pull it back. I pull the 3rd finger back to the 2nd fret, 3rd string. So we've got, and then I play the 3rd string open, and then I land down as a E. Put it. So all together then, we can throw these little licks in. We've got, so we got 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, down to A, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, up to E, 8, 2, 3, 4, then B7, then A, then to E, then B7, E. Down to A. Here we go. B7, A, E. B7. So there we are, an introduction to the blues. How did you do? Let me know in the comment section below. And also any songs you'd like me to pick apart and bring to you in another video, let me know also in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. If you liked today's video, click like and subscribe for me. And also you may want to head on over to danielberryguitartutor.com and sign up to my newsletter, which is full of tips and tricks for beginners. As always, glad to have you along, and I'll catch you in the next video.